Okay, so go to more at the bottom, then go to settings at the top, then scroll down, leave service, then the browser's gonna open with the same page, because why not? And then just go to the bottom, delete account. Okay, you gotta disconnect your app first. Delete account. Type the text above. Okay, delete. And that's it. No, it's not. Now you have to go back at the bottom and delete your actual account. God. Okay. And tap delete. And that's it, finally.